welcome back to I promise this is the last Avatar video I'm going to make, but these 3D printed caps that we made, they sit slightly higher than the original caps, and my OCD got the better of me, and thankfully Bobule and Jon helped me redesign them, so now they fit just that little bit lower, which makes the whole thing a lot neater. And we have one for the original caps and a slightly different one for the Synthchaser slider, because it has slightly different dimensions. But now you can see this one is a little bit higher than it should be. So let's swap these out for all the correct ones. Yep, I'm much happy with that now. Really good. And she's back where she belongs. Prophet 10's got a dodgy voice that we need to look at some point. I'll offend the LM1 and DX1. This used to be Stevie Wonder's piano he had for a tour, which I think Pete Townshend bought off him. There's Pete's famous Larry organ in VCSE, as shown in many a picture. But at least now the Avatar has got its much better caps on. So big thanks to Bobby. I'll leave a link in the description below for the two different variants. Nice one, catch you next time.